Here we go.
Enjoy the ride.
Thank you. Here we go. This is a for real POV this time. Oh, I trimmed, but got some good laterals there. And to make it so that the trims don't hit as hard, I'm gonna trim myself on the straight track so that these elements can be taken with more straight track. Now we're gonna run it all the way in. Some nice laterals at the end there. I wish the computer wasn't breaking me like it did, but it's still a really fun ride, and definitely recommend coming here to check it out. This is in Grafton, Illinois again, so you've got some cool seashells over there, by the way. But yeah, that's gonna do it for our ride here on the Alpine coaster at Aeries Resort.